Every year during Shirui Lily State Festival in this vibrant and scenic district of Ukhrul in Manipur, India, Chiko Adventures organized MTB Downhill races. Ukhrul, with its rugged terrain and rich natural environment, appealed athletes looking for adventure and adrenaline rush. Only in its fourth edition, but the event has drawn attention from both national and international MTB athletes. Due to various factors, this year only 21 athletes from 4 neighboring states, including Meghalaya, Assam, Nagaland and Manipur, could participate. Shangcham Shangjam, co-founder of Chiko Adventures, shared the potentiality of the region to host serious mountain biking races, especially MTB Downhill and cross-country races.
All the MTBs are, supposed to be done in like rough mountain terrains, wherein it involves like climbs, drops, and rough terrains, root section, forest section, like that. So it has. In order to have a good track, you need to have this diversity of the tracks that I just mentioned. When it comes to potential, yes, definitely this race can be one of the best race in India, in the subcontinent, as well as in the entire world. We are very confident that this race will grow to the next level.
Lack of resources and infrastructure has stopped them from moving forward.
In order to organize a good race, we need to have a permanent track. Because whenever we organize a race and when we are building the track right there and then, that becomes a whole lot of big logistic support we need. Yet to have a good race, we need to have some basic infrastructures. Example, in order to host a world-class MTB Downhill race, we need to have a bike park wherein there is a cable car for the riders to bring back their bikes, and also the riders. Otherwise, it becomes very difficult for the riders to take more runs. Because it's only downhill, so they need to push up the bikes by themselves, and that makes the whole event, the quality of the event not good. So one basic need for a good bike park is a good space with the diversity of the track that I had mentioned earlier, and a good basic infrastructure like what I just mentioned, the cable car. That itself would be a good start.
Passionate youngsters like Kelengol Zao from Nagaland had to miss an exam to participate in the race.
My friends were all going and they were all so excited, so I just wanted to join in on the fun too. Okay. And then so far it's actually my first race around this region.
Alright.
So I thought it'd be easy, but we come here and then it's full of big jumps and then the super steep hill, and then it's just the entire time. Yeah, but then it's been really fun. Okay. I really enjoyed it. I got to meet lots of people, and I think I'm starting to like Manipur. It's so beautiful.
Other veteran athletes came back to experience these dangerous terrains and that rush of adrenaline.
This race is one of the best races in Northeast because as you can see, the terrain is kind of different compared to hometown terrain, and I've been racing for quite some time now, and I've been in and around Northeast as well as outside India. So compared to the different tracks outside, this track has potential and it's fun.
It's my fourth races in this Shirui Lily Festival, MTB Downhill. And comparing the track to these other states, this very track is one of the toughest track so far.
Introduced in the state for the first time during the Shirui Lily State Festival 2017, it has become an event to look out for athletes around the world. Considered the toughest and most popular cycling competitions, MTB races have attracted youths as part of their lifestyle and identity.